Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Steph and today we are going to decorate my living room for Halloween. We hope to give you some inspiration so you can get your house nice and spooky for Halloween as well. As always, please give our video a thumbs up if you enjoy these ideas, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I'm starting off with our mantle today. Now normally I like to start with the larger decor and artwork first and then fill in with smaller items, but I like to use this creepy cloth at Halloween time, and it's a better idea to put this down first. That way you don't need to pick up the decorations to put this down. It just saves you a little bit of time. So just drape it. Doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, if it's a little bit messy, it kind of makes it just look a little more spooky and disheveled. Now let's move over to the top of my piano. I always like to incorporate a little height here. I love using old vintage finds like this window, and I have put a skeleton wreath on it. And I found this white creepy cloth this time, which stands out a little bit better on my dark piano. Again, just giving it a little bit of texture and scary look to it before we add any more decorations. And I have my cute little helper with me today who was so anxious to help set up decorations this year. Try switching things up a little bit this year. Don't just think candle holders are meant for candles. This is a great way to display skulls or pumpkins or any other small decor items that you have. The coffee table doesn't need much. Again, I'm starting with this base of the creepy cloth and adding a few more skeletons and candles. The sofa table is the perfect spot for all of my little potion bottles and spell books for my witch display. The final spot I decided to decorate this year was my entryway. I made these skeleton family portraits last year, so if you missed that tutorial, check that link above. They're really simple to make if you have a Cricut machine or a Silhouette machine. And my kids, I was surprised how excited they were this year to find their own self-portrait because I made one for each of us, so that was kind of fun. Okay, so my favorite part of the entryway are these bats. My mom got them from Walmart last year. We will have a link for them below so you can grab your own. And I asked to borrow them this year. So we just sporadically placed them on the wall so it looks like they flew in when the front door was opened, and I love it. Thanks for watching. We're glad you're here and we hope you were inspired today. Please comment below. Let us know what your favorite thing was of our Halloween tour. And please like and subscribe. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.